Everyone, Peter here out in the garage shop. Gonna do a little shorty video on these number 40 tools. They're actually quite interesting. I hope you find them interesting anyway. We'll start with this one. This is a cam locked tool, quick change, so you don't have to keep taking the drawbar out. It is able to have a drawbar. It's a 5/8 13 thread. But this is what's really unusual about this. This bit, this carbide tipped bit, is adjustable to create some sort of protrusion. Not quite sure what it's for, but anyway, there's a dial here that's graduated in thousandths, and you adjust it by loosening the nut that's here next to the, let me get this to focus, next to the tool, and then you go in the back here and you adjust the screw, the bit, by turning the screw. Anyway, this is really interesting, and it's called flash change micro bore. Anyhow, my suspicion is that these other two cutters, and this may be completely not even relevant, but it might be how it works, uses the same style bit adjustment. This one has two, though. Makes a bore, and then some form, or some type of form at the top. Some way, this, to me, looks almost like these are related somehow. Don't really know exactly. This may or may not be, how it works. But anyway, if anyone knows, please comment. I've had this stuff 30 years, back when I bought this mill, and it was in the tooling that came with it. And in 30 years, I've never used them. I never had anything that I thought I could use them for to kind of prompt me to try them out. So, if someone's interested in them, I'd like to trade, if that's something you'd be interested in. But at any rate, if someone knows what these do, it'd make a good conversation. I just thought that some of you might find it interesting. Anyway, the tooling came from a place called United Shoe Machine Corporation. And, you outwardly would think, well, okay, it's shoes. But apparently these people were into all sorts of machine work. I imagine that happened when shoe manufacturing went offshore in the late 60s, early 70s, up in the New England area, which is where this machine's from, and I'm from. So, comment if you want, and hopefully somebody will be able to shed a little light on it. And I guess that does it for now. If you like this video and others, please subscribe. My channel can be pretty diverse. Mechanical things, though, usually. And if you're a subscriber already, thank you. And find me on Patreon. Sometimes I could use a little help. I don't really want to cry about my medical issues, but I'm a dialysis patient, and I do my best to try to keep active. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And have a great afternoon, everybody. See you soon.